this question to solve for x, what will first come to your mind? You analyze the question, because the question is having roots and the one that is without a root. And the one with roots, we have 2x plus 3 a root plus x equal to 3. First thing first, want to remove this square sign. We start with solution. We bring down this question. We have root 2x plus 3 plus x is equals to 3. And you know, this one is on its own and this one is on its own. This and this, they are almost the same thing. So we collect the like terms. This will cross to the equality sign. And you know, anything that crosses the equality sign, the sign will change from positive to negative depending on the sign you are working with. We have root 2x plus 3 is equals to 3 minus x. Now that we are done with this, we are going to remove this square sign. And in removing this square sign, we are going to square both sides by the root. We have root 2x plus 3 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 3 minus x squared. This will cancel this. We are left with this one. We have 2x plus 3 is equals to 3 minus x squared. If you are having this type of question, 3 minus x to the power of 2, it means that you should expand this bracket. You are going to times 3 minus x times 3 minus x. We're going to do it 2x plus 3 is equals to 3 minus x into the bracket of 3 minus x. This expression that we have here is the same thing as this 3 minus x raised to the power of 2. We are going to have 3 times 3 is going to give us 9. 3 times minus x is going to give us minus 3x. We have minus x times 3 is going to give us minus 3x. Minus x times minus x is going to give us plus x squared, because minus times minus is plus. We bring down this 2x plus 3. From here, we are going to simplify. We have 2x plus 3 is equals to 9 minus 3x minus 3x is going to give us minus 6x plus x squared. The reason why we are having minus 3x is that you borrowed 3 naira from A and you went ahead to borrow 3 naira from B. If you put the 3 naira that you borrowed from A and B, that means in total you are owing A and B 6 naira. That is why we are having minus 6. So from here, we are going to collect the like terms. We have 2x plus 6x, because this minus 6 is crossing the equality sign and the sign will change. And we have minus x squared we have plus 3 minus 9 is equal to 0. We have 2x plus 6x is going to give us 8x minus x squared. We have plus 3 minus.
Continue.
From here, we have 2x plus 6x is going to give us 8x minus x squared minus 6 is equal to 0. So from here, we are going to arrange it. Minus x squared plus 8x minus 6 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and in quadratic equation we are going to be making use of quadratic formula. Before then, you label this as your A, this is your B, and this is your C. The formula for quadratic equation, we have x is equals to minus b plus or minus to the root of b squared minus ac divided by 2a. This is the formula for quadratic equation. So from here, where you see your a, you represent it with the number there. And here we are having x squared. This is the same thing as 1x squared. But the 1 there is invisible because you cannot see the 1, because anything multiplied by 1 is that same. So from here, we have our b is 8. We are having minus into the bracket of 8 plus or minus to the root of 8 squared minus 4 into the bracket of minus 1, the bracket of minus 6 divided by 2 into the bracket of minus 1. This is the expression. This is A, this is B, this is A, and this is C. Now move to the next step. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. So from here, we have minus 8 plus or minus to the root of 8 times 8 is the same thing as 8 squared, which is 64 minus. We have minus times minus is plus. We are going to have minus 4 into the bracket of 6 divided by 2 times minus 1 is going to give us minus 2. We proceed to the next step. We have minus 8 plus or minus to the root of 64 minus 24. 4 times 6 is 24 divided by minus 2. So from here, we are going to subtract 64 from 24. We have 64 minus 24. This is 0. It's going to give us 40. Minus 8 plus or minus to the root of 40 divided by minus 2. We now have the root of 40 now is going to be minus 8 plus or minus 1.68 divided by minus 2. if you get to this place, you have two things involved. We have addition and subtraction. The first one, we have minus 8 plus 1.86 divided by 2, or minus 8 minus 1.68 divided by 2. This is the same as this expression, because at the end of the day, you are expected to have two answers. Our x is going to be, if you minus this from this, you have minus 1.68 minus 8, 0.641. We have 1.60 divided by 2, or we have minus 8 minus 8, and this plus this is 6.7.1. We have minus 167 minus 1.76 divided by 2. In case you are working and you don't have calculator, at the end of the day, you can decide to leave your answer like this, that x is equals to 1.60 divided by 2, or x is equals to minus 1.76 divided by 2. This is the final answer. So if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. Thank you.